Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare beetroot bonda. This bonda or fritters turned out excellent. We normally serve these fritters during tea time. We can also prepare beetroot vada pav using the same fritters. It was very nice and tasty. I've used the same batter or the same masala which I prepared the beetroot save cutlets. In that same masala which was left over, I prepared these bondas. I'll show you from the beginning how I prepared that beetroot masala also. But in case you have not seen that video, beetroot save tikkis, I'll post the link in the iCard above this video or in the description box below this video. Here I've prepped up all the ingredients and laid it out. Here I've peeled the beetroot, grated it in a large eye grater, and I've reserved it. The same way I've peeled the potato, grated the potato, washed it twice, drained it and reserved. Finally chopped the onions and chilies and reserved it. We would also require poha or flattened rice. Here I'm using red poha, ginger and garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and kitchen king masala. I'll be using a tiny amount of curry powder. Now let's start preparing the beetroot masala. I've heated a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil. In the oil I've added ginger and garlic paste. I've fried the ginger and garlic paste for a minute's time to reduce the raw flavor. Now I've added the onion and I'll fry the onion. Once the onion has fried for a minute, I've added the dry spice powders, curry powder, garam masala powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and I fried it in the onion. Now once the spice powders have fried, I'll be adding salt. So now I've started to fry the onions. This is on low to medium flame at this point. I don't want the masalas to burn. At the same time, I want the onions to fry. So once the onions have fried, I've added the grated beetroot and the grated potato. I'll combine both the vegetables in the onion masala. The beetroot and potato contains a lot of moisture in it. It will cook on its own. So I've not added any water to this. So I want the masala to be as dry as possible. I've also added the finely chopped chilies to the masala. Now you can see the beetroot has somewhat cooked. Just keep stirring it occasionally and cook it further. If you don't stir this occasionally, your beetroot will tend to burn. So you need to cover this, stir this occasionally. In a gap of 15 minutes, your beetroot will cook. I've also ground the poha or the flattened rice in a small mixer jar. Once the beetroot has cooked, I'll add the poha powder to the beetroot. Now I'll mix and combine the beetroot. What the poha powder does it absorbs all the moisture. So your beetroot will be perfect when you're preparing flat tikkis or whenever you want to prepare roundels, it will be perfect. It will not have that moisture content. So here you can see I've removed the beetroot from the flame, allowed it to cool. I've got it to room temperature. Now it's easy for me to handle. I've completely kneaded that beetroot and I've reserved it. So that beetroot mixture is what I'll be using in this bonda. Here I've reserved chickpea flour, carom seed powder, asafoetida, chili powder and salt. I'll be using tiny amount of baking powder in the batter and the beetroot masala that I prepared earlier. I've also heated enough oil in a wok to prepare the fritters, and I'll be using tiny amount of hot oil to prepare the batter as well. Now I'll prepare the bonda batter. In the chickpea I've added the hot oil and I've combined the carom seed powder, cooking soda, salt, chili powder and asafoetida. Gradually I'll add water and prepare a batter. We should be very careful when adding water. We should not make a very thin batter, neither a thick batter. It should coat your spoon and finger. That is when the batter is perfect. It will coat evenly on the fritter. Once you prepare the batter, always dip your spoon and check if the batter coats your spoon. It should not be too thin and the batter should not run, or it should not be very runny. And dip your finger also and check the batter if it's sticking to your finger. So once the batter is ready, allow it to rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your roundels. I'm preparing a lime size roundel with the beetroot masala. So prepare a few of these. It will be easy for us to fry. Here I've dipped the beetroot masala in the batter and I'm going to gently drop it in the hot oil. So always place your oil on very low to medium flame. Once you prepare all the other ingredients, it will be easy for you to fry it. So here you can see I have gently dropped the beetroot. After dipping it in the batter, I have dropped it in the hot oil and I'm going to fry it on low to medium flame. I kept flipping this and frying it for every 2 minutes. So all sides were evenly cooked. A detailed recipe is posted on my blog, friends. The blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. I keep posting a lot of live videos and a lot of stories on my Instagram, so you can follow me on my Instagram. All the links to my social media will also be listed in the description box below this video. Once the fritters have turned light golden brown in color, I've drained it from the oil and I've started to plate it. You can also prepare vada pavs using the same fritters. So here I'll be using pav buns. And I'll apply generous amount of mint chutney and mayonnaise. I've shown both the recipes how to prepare mayonnaise and mint chutney. So here I've applied generous amount of mint chutney and mayonnaise to the vada pav. I'll place the prepared beetroot vada in the center and serve it. It was very nice and tasty. Do give this recipe a try, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe is also listed in the description box below this video. You can serve these fritters as it is or in a vada pav. Either ways, it tastes yummy. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.